So we are mopping the cabinets today, y'all. If you ain't tried this, this is a lifesaver. Look at these cabinets I got. Okay, so I previously done those, so I'm just going back over to let y'all see what I'm doing. Okay, but I've got this handy dandy old cedar mop, and this is what I'm doing, cleaning these cabinets up today, y'all. So I hope this motivated y'all a little bit to get some cleaning done and do what you gotta do. All right, y'all have a good one. Bye. Oh, well, let me show y'all how this thing works. Can y'all see this? Yeah, I gotta take my decoration line. That'll help. But yeah, that's what we do with mopping cabinets today. So get y'all old cedar mop and mop y'all cabinets. Because if you're short like me, you need some help. You need a little bit of help. And you do this every now and then, and you ain't gotta be scrubbing. All right, talk to y'all later.